Welcome to Code Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Code Station again. Today we'll be seeing a very important topic with this program structure of C. So what is a program structure? A program structure defines us what are the procedures to start a program and to end a program. That is, how should we write our code? That is our program. Let's have a quick recap of what we have done in our previous video. So in our last video, we have seen about the bitwise operators. So what are these bitwise operators? The bitwise operators performs operations on the data which is on the bit level. So if you want to know more about these bitwise operators, please watch our last video on this. So moving forward, we have our program structure. So this is the program structure of our C programming language. There are main components such as header files, main function, and the return zero statement, which indicates successful execution. So in this video, we will learn about the header file concept, main functions, comments, and return statement. So now we are on our VS Code, and now I will be showing you and also explaining you the details of the concepts. So let's start with the header file concept. So a header file is a file containing declarations of functions and the other constructs that can be included in multiple C source files. So it serves as a bridge between the declaration and the actual code implementation. So in this line, the stdio.h, this is actually the header file. This hash include is not a header file, it is a preprocessor directive which states that the program should include this file stdio.h before the actual compilation of the program starts. So the name of the header file is stdio.h, and what it does, it actually adds some functionality to our code. For example, this file stdio.h gives us some functions like scanf and printf, which we use to take input from the user and to print some data or some words onto our screen. So header file is the most important part of a program. So our next component is the main function. The main function is also a crucial part of C program. It serves as the entry point of the program's execution. It means that if you want to write any program, the code of that program will reside in this main function, within these brackets. So all your code should be written in this main function to get executed. The int before the main indicates the return type. It specifies the type of value the main function returns. Conventionally, int is used. The main is the name of the function. So, main is the name of the function, and the parentheses, which means these two brackets, rounded brackets, signifies that the main function takes no parameters and they are empty. So in short, your program cannot run without the main function. Every C program must have a main function with it. So next is the comments. The comments guides us as well as others to understand our code. They are the only part in the entire program which is not executed by the compiler. But just by adding 2 slashes before the code, it can be converted into comments. A comment can be added before the main function, within the main function, or even after the main function. Writing comments is a best practice in programming. It helps others as well as you to understand complex code. So our last concept is the return zero statement. As the main function is the starting point of any program, the return statement, which is within the main function, is the end of the program. It means that the program has successfully executed. The return statement sends an exit code to the operating system, which means the program is being executed successfully. Any other value other than 0 means there are errors in the program. So the return statement is always written at the last of the main function. but within the main function. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this C programming web series. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.